2025 Honda CR-V. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.